Thank you so much for including me today. This was so fascinating. And what I was especially pleased to see was how many of you spoke not just to the data or the data collection itself, which is a major undertaking. And kudos to you and the teachers who got out there and measured that data, measured the air quality. That's great. But the fact that you took it one step further and you thought about interventions and you thought about mitigation policies and practices that can help improve our city, improve our air quality, or you use suggestions of what could be done. I think it was really great to see that, because I'm thinking back to the CELF Symposium 2 years ago. The presentations there were really great too, but the focus was more on collecting the data and using and displaying the data. And the contrast here was that you all really thought about what the solutions to the problems could be. And it's interesting because I think more and more, in my job, it's no longer enough just to bring a problem to the policymakers. You also need to bring the solutions too. You have to say, we have this problem, it's this big. We can solve this problem, and we think we can solve it by doing this. And then maybe where there's that path, there will be some action that can be taken.